Hello everyone. 4 years ago I installed my own radiant heat, and I did not show the mechanical part of it, so I wanted to show you what I used to heat the water. This is the tankless water heater that I used. I've had this for about 15 years. Initially I used it to heat the water in the pipes, and also for my water heater for the showers and all, but it worked fine until sometime in the winter, when the water was really cold, it wouldn't heat the water more than 80 degrees, so it couldn't take any showers, which led me to install my second tankless solely for my potable water. Now, the method that I used is, you know, I be honest with you, I cheated this whole thing. I copied it from someone online. But it definitely, this is the way to do it if you're not mixing the potable water with the radiant heat water. So this is how I did it. I'm going to show you what everything means. So there's a loop that goes on and on. Goes from here, goes up, and then goes back into the water heater through that pump. So when the thermostat asks for heat, two pumps turn on. The zone, I have two zones, as you can see, two pumps, one for my second and third floor and one for my first floor in the basement. The top pump kicks in along with this pump right down here, and you know, it might just kick in right now while I'm videoing this, and then it'll keep going until, you know, thermostat turns off. I have the water flowing at about 120 degrees, and then usually this is the return temperature, and it's now, I think it just turned off, and it's 100 degrees right now coming back. It seems to be doing a great job all winter long, even in really cold days. The bottom, this is the manifold that I use. I have two. I have another one up in the attic, which is a little bigger than this. This is, I think, what is that, 6, 7? The other one is probably 10 loops. This is a 7 loop. And this is how I did it. I went up this way, and I went to the floor above, and I, you know, put the pipes all over. When I use this water tank, and both of the loops of both of the zones are running at the same time, I still get enough hot water to heat up my whole house. I keep the tankless at 140 degrees, and that's it. I think I clean the tank, like I flush it once a year, because it does build up some, I don't know what, but I just never had any real issues with it. This is some air eliminator that really worked well in the beginning, and that's it. This is the water mixer, I think. So you know, this is how you can control how hot the water is gonna be going to your loop, like, you know, to maintain 120. I like to keep it at 120 flowing hot water, which I think the floor will be at 80, 75 inside the pipes itself, the PEX pipes. This is a 1/2-inch PEX pipe. I want to show you how I did this for the kitchen, because when I did all these pipes, I didn't have any floors on. I took them off. I was remodeling, so I did it, but my kitchen was already done. So to combat the problem with the kitchen floors, or not having to destroy the kitchen floor, I did this. This is right below the kitchen floor, which is ceramic, whatever. And it looks like it's doing okay of a job. I mean, I'm not very happy with it. And that's it. Any questions? Well, that's my crazy basement. A lot of kids. Any questions, please ask. Be happy to answer. Thank you.